Looks good, baby.
All right, well, that's the top one, and then the bottom one.
The Brit is helping me a little bit with this idea.
Sit here. I need some screws from downstairs.
So that actually is taking up the majority of the closet. That's fine. The bottom part I can put boxes, or I can actually hang things from here on down. Just kind of depends. So it gives me a little bit of flexibility. I'll talk about this in a minute. So I'll be back shortly, and I will start putting in the pegs with the yarn. Stay tuned. Okay, now you can see we have the pegboard up, which is really exciting. And these are just, as I said, these are two 2x4s, and you can put them in any configuration you want or cut them, but why bother? These were also available at our local hardware store. These are little just dowels. You want to get the 1/4 inch in diameter. That's the key, because that is what fits into these holes. Now, I found this specific size. So these are 1/4 inch in diameter by 6 inches long. I found these on Amazon. I know, sorry. You can find them at your local hardware store, but they come in like 5 foot or even like 2 foot lengths, probably 2 foot lengths. So then you'd have to cut them. I just liked these because they were simple. They came in a package like this. I believe I paid $6.99. Maybe it was more. I'll include the link below. For these, and these are Axe Sticks 6 inch by 1/4 inch in diameter craft stick. So any craft store, these just seem like a pretty good deal. So, and I didn't have to worry about cutting them. And then you can just create. Okay. Now, my lovelies, here's where the tricky part comes. What fits on these are cakes. So I have quite a few cakes that I'm going to go ahead and put up on here. The other tricky fun part is that you're going to have to roll your yarn into cakes, and that's going to take a little time. That, my lovelies, is going to be several Netflix binges or some kind of a show. So what you do is you just put the peg just inside like that, and then you just attach it to the wall, just like so. Okay? Now, you can do this any way you want. You can make a rainbow. You can do like all your reds together and your blues. So I'm going to keep working on this as I put them all up. The other thing that I wanted to show you that I found, which was really great, is these little S-hooks. So this was a closet that was partially built out with shelvings and things like that when we moved in. So some of this, I just decided to just go with whatever we had. The other thing, so they had these dowels, you know, to hang your pants on and your shirts and whatever, and there's actually 2 rows. So what I did was I got these S-hooks. I get these again on Amazon, and I will include the link below. But I got, let's see, 20 in a pack, and these are 3/4 inch S-hooks. And these were not very expensive either. I will send the link. These might have been like $6.99, $7. Very cheap. But what you do is you'll see that one end is a little bit bigger than the other. So what I do with these is when I get these yarns that are set like this, and if you're lucky and there's like a little hole already up here, you just use that. Otherwise, I just, with the smaller end, I hooked my yarn like so, and I'm just going to hang it up like that, right? So I'm going to have all of my cake yarns here and all of my spun wound yarns like this hanging. Okay, that's going to free up a lot of space over here, which I'm going to end up using for other yarn. Shocking. So I will be back in just a minute, and this will all be finished, and you can take a look at this. Okay. Voila. Hang on. We're going to reveal this to the Brit at the same time. So, this did it, actually. There was even, I ran out of a couple pegs, but I had holes, and I was able to just stick the yarn up in there. So, I also put all the S-hooks up like this. As you can see, I'm hanging the yarn. I'm not going to hang it all right now because I wanted you to see. But I've got a bunch of these guys. So my next step is just going to be to hang all of these up here. I've got my really nice designer yarns here, and then I've got some mass market yarns over here. But yes, so this is my pegboard project. Again, let me just tell you, as I was putting it in, you really want to make sure that you have the 1/4 inch width pegs. Those are the ones that fit in. They fit in really nice and snug. A couple times I had to really kind of winch it in there, but that's okay. Better to do that than have them loose. And I really would encourage you to make sure you have some kind of even just a scrap piece of wood, little dowel, something that's going to give this pegboard good support, because as you're wiggling them in and out, you don't want the pegboard to break, snap, fall off. Also, you want to make sure that you've got, oops, like this one just fell out. So let's put these guys down. But some of these bigger cakes, I have big and small cakes. I have them basically in all different sizes. You just stick it in like that. And they fit pretty well on here. Obviously the big cakes, you're having a hard time with the pegs. Smaller ones shouldn't be as much of a problem. But voila, make it your own design. And okay, it's a big reveal. I don't know if he knows quite how much yarn we had in the house, but maybe he'll have an idea now. Okay?
I'm coming in.
Don't be mad.
Oh my God. That's amazing. Wow.
I think that's a good reaction.
Yeah.
Pretty cool,
That's
right?
actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
Nice, right?
Yeah, very good.
And then later on, we hang all of these guys up like so.
Nice.
I just wanted to have them all so that my colors are all together, like so. But I wanted you to
That
be able to
worked
see.
out a lot better than I was expecting, I gotta be honest.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
Looks good.
thank you very much. Well, whew. Just don't look at that side of the closet. So this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, finishing up this big work in progress. I will put the links on in the comments below for the S-hooks, the pegs, just some pegboard. Honestly, gathering the supplies took the longest time, and then obviously putting them up in here. It took me about hour and a half to put all the yarns up. But yeah, I'm actually super excited. What I like is that you can see, I put all of my skeins together so I could see exactly what I've got and in all the different colors, and I kind of tried to do it color coordinated, and then I just kind of did a little bit of freeform. So I am super, super excited with this project. All done. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I think this might be it for this work in progress. Thanks so much for watching.